Huh?
Hello, everybody. And I'm okay. What am I doing? Hello, everybody. I am here with Father.
Hello.
Oh, cool. Can I? No, never mind. Ignore whatever I said.
Okay.
What game are we playing today? I'll tell them then. We're playing Minecraft, peoples. And hopefully I'll be doing an Animal Jam video soon, because pretty much every single video that I've done on my channel lately has been Minecraft. I'm just obsessed with it. Also by eating. Daddy's eating. I have chicken. Ah! I was about to fall off there.
I'm currently eating a chicken stir fry that Mum made.
Yeah. Mummy is good at cooking. I can cook. I can make cups of tea and coffee and stuff, but I can also make scrambled eggs. Why are we talking about food?
Because I'm eating.
Yeah.
I will try to keep my munching to a minimum.
Yeah, you do that. Also, I don't know how many videos I'll be doing on Minecraft because it took like 2 hours or something to upload last night when it was only like 13 minutes long. Nom nom. And also, Dad's not going to be speaking about Minecraft because he barely knows anything about Minecraft.
I know nothing.
Daddy knows nothing. He probably doesn't even know what blocks there are. Let's go on. Okay, guys. We're going to go into a creative world.
However, what Eva won't tell you is that I am a gamer.
Yes, Daddy is a gamer. He has a PS4. And he plays it a lot.
Not that much, do I?
You do?
Depends if you ask Mum, in which case she says that I'm never off it.
And
Instead of doing housework.
And he plays Star Wars stuff on it. Also, I upgraded my house in Pet Parade. This is not like a Pet Parade. This might be classed as a Pet Parade episode. Dad, you're a special guest on my Pet Parade, which is my series.
It's nice to be special.
You're a special guest. Also, Lexi is on my chest right now. Hello, Lexi. Hi, Cookie. Wait, you grew up. Wait, when did you grow up? I wasn't here to witness that.
Nobody ever asked me that, because I never grew up.
Yeah. Well, sorry for background noise, by the way, guys. That's probably my sister watching the telly. Yep.
I've absolutely no idea what it is.
I'm pretty sure it's like CBB something or something.
I'm going to say it's kind of cool that it's not the usual, but
yeah,
I don't want to I don't want to diss another YouTuber.
No.
By the name of somebody who's Swirly Seas.
Swirly Seas. Okay, Daddy, who would you like to be added to the Goblet of Fire today? Names. I shall.
What happens if you put someone's name on it? Like, what does that mean?
They're in my series forever. Like.
It's got to be Cookie Swirl C, obviously, isn't it?
Yeah, Cookie Swirl C.
Because she doesn't drive me bonkers. What is that?
What?
Siamese Heart.
That's one of the people who has subscribed to me. Shout out.
Yo, Siamese Heart.
Yep.
How's that? Is that okay? Does that count as a shout out?
Cookie Swirl. C.
Ugh.
It's okay. We don't mind if it's like that. I'll fix it on the next episode. Daddy, would you like to name one of my mushrooms? Hang on, I'm just moving my thing down a little bit so you can see my inventory of it.
One of your mushrooms.
Get away from me, stupid witch! You get that potion out of your hand!
Stay away from me, you stupid witch.
Yeah.
I said that once to Theresa May. I didn't really.
Okay, would you like to name one of my mushrooms?
Do you know what was funny?
What?
Once Cora...
I'm gonna...
Do you know once Cora saw Theresa May on the news, and she said, "That's Theresa May. She's a horrible old lady."
What did I do to my mushroom?
You never heard that, did you?
No, I just seared my mushroom. You dag out. You try to
I was
dag
telling you
out.
something funny that Cora said.
Okay, that's my sister, by the way. If you didn't already know, you probably already did because she's done videos with me.
Where she
in the
saw
past.
Theresa May once on the news and said, "That's Theresa May. She's a horrible old lady."
She's a horrible old lady.
Yeah, she said that.
Okay. Anyway, what should we do in this episode?
Can I just call Theresa May more names?
No.
Oh, okay.
Because that's not appropriate for my channel because my channel...
Oh, do you like not to be political in your channel?
I try not to. And I don't like... And I want to keep this all kid-friendly.
Can we call Donald Trump names instead?
No, because he's...
He's a what?
He's a president.
He's not.
He is. He's
a
a pretend president.
That's right, of course. I'm just a pretend president, everybody.
Dad!
Nobody does pretend presidencies like Donald J. Trump, okay? That's all I'm saying.
What if Donald Trump watched this video? What would he say?
I don't know. What would he say?
He would probably dislike the video and report me to YouTube or something.
Well, this Minecraft plot is okay, but my one's bigger.
What?
Nobody does Minecraft plots like Donald J. Trump.
This isn't a plot, this is my world.
Well, what is it then? See, Eva's right. I don't have a clue about Minecraft.
You know about Cracktopia though. I've showed you around that a few
It
times.
doesn't mean I understand it.
Yeah, but...
I'm too old for that.
Daddy's too old for Minecraft, everyone.
That's right, everyone. I'm too old for that Minecraft
He's
thing.
101.
That's right. Unlike all you young whippersnappers, I don't get it.
Anyway, what should we do in this episode? You can decide, Dad.
Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to eat a bit more so that I don't talk more rubbish. Sorry.
Okay. I've decided...
What was with the water back in that pool, by the way? It was going in a very strange way.
This one.
No, maybe not. It was another one.
This one.
That one. Look at that.
I know.
Yeah, strange.
To be honest, everyone has already met my dogs. He's got spaghetti.
Actually, they're noodles.
Noodles. Okay. Pardon me, then.
Well, excuse me.
Ugh. What? Okay, we're gonna get a random pet. We're just gonna... Wait, what do we... Oh, we have a mule. And we'll get a donkey to keep them company.
That'll do, donkey.
That'll do.
Yeah.
There! Also on what's it called? Molecraft. Pardon,
What?
Molecraft. That's
What is Molecraft?
It's a server that I play.
Okay.
Some people who watch Ferris Jacqueline will know what that is, and might even play it.
That pool looks really strange on the right hand side.
There.
Yeah. I would not get in that. It looks like it would suck you down to your death.
Ring! We'll be right back, guys.
What does that mean?
And we're back. The reason I had to pause it was just because one of my friends messaged me, so... Daddy, in the last episode, I extended my house thingy.
Cool.
So now I've got like a little skylight above my bed. So do you remember this bit? This was like the house that you designed, wasn't it? But yeah. Oh.
Are you sure? I don't remember that.
Yeah, but like you told me what you wanted, and then
okay.
and then I didn't want to live in there anymore. And I want to live in here. So I just extended it out a bit more so that my dogs had a bit more room.
Okay.
And now I have some chests.
Was that dog?
There.
And halfway through the chest?
Yeah.
What's going on there?
It's what they do. Don't judge them.
Don't judge them.
If you're wondering what I'm eating chicken. He's eating. What are you eating?
Chicken stir fry.
Chicken stir fry. We're eating something new chicken.
Basically, we're helping to reduce the chicken population of the planet. Clearly,
we had chickens.
Look at that! Look at the dogs there. Go back. It's like they're doing this really crazy dog conga.
Conga, come and do the conga. Come on and do the conga. There's Rosa, AJ, Bella, and Lexi, and Cookie.
Tell that dog to get off the furniture right now.
No, she can sit up there if she wants to sit up there, okay? She can sit there if she wants to.
What if she just let herself out to have a pixelated poo?
Well, they can't have pixelated poos.
They should.
Here's my storage room in a mountain. Don't judge me.
Don't judge me. I'm not judging you.
I've got loads of little name tags and whatnot.
Why do you always say don't judge me?
Because I don't know. I just This has been the craziest video other than the other video that I did with Dad. Dad. That video. I literally was like seeing if there was anyone else's comment on Dad and I never did. Also, before I end this episode, because it's kind of getting a bit long, but we're going to wait until 15 minutes. I just wanted to say, if you would like to have your name put in the Goblet of Fire, do you know what you need to do, Dad?
No.
You need to subscribe.
Oh.
You need to like this video.
Oh no.
And you need to comment down the name. Comment in the comments section down below what name you want entered, and if you.
Oh, well, that's me snookered then, isn't it? Because I'm not going to subscribe, and I don't like this video. Except for the dog conga.
Oh yeah, you have to like it.
Get Lexi off that, honestly.
No, Lexi wants to. If Lexi wants to be up there, she can be up there.
Get down.
Lexi, come on.
Honestly, what if she's gone out and had a poo first? She could be leaving pixelated poo particles on your furniture.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah.
But I'm going to push you over here because you're not part of the conga. You're my dog.
You're pushing your dog?
Yeah, she has a baby.
That dog has its skull implanted in a solid object.
Daddy, this is her daughter, Cookie. And that's the dad.
Are you not concerned about your dog having its skull right through a solid object?
Cookie, come. I know how to get her out. Good girl.
There you go. She loves you for helping pull her head out of that chest.
Good guys. I'm going to sleep now. Goodbye.
Can you? Oh.
I'm sleeping.
Good night.
Hello. Nom 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 nom. Here's my hotel. Do you know there was this one time, Good morning, guard doggy.
The guard dog's like, what? What's going on?
And then
how many burglars came in during the night and it just didn't turn round?
This is like these rooms. I literally like made them really. This one's the biggest one. Some files on OneDrive are too big to upload. What does that mean?
What?
I don't know what that notification was. So my daddy bought me a magazine that had a Pikachu in it. Not the real one, but it was like a paint your own Pikachu. I'm totally doing that later. Then one of my Monster High dolls can have like a Pikachu statue in their room because I know that Claudine is a bit of a fangirl. Anyway.